Imagine cruising down the highway in absolute silence, the engine purring beneath you, and the world outside blurred by the speed of innovation. Now picture this: sunlight streaming through panoramic windows, a fully equipped premium kitchen on your right, a lounge area straight out of a luxury penthouse on your left, and a bedroom that rivals the most expensive 5-star suites. Welcome to the $2.5 million Celestia Grandliner 2026, a motorhome that doesn't just take you places. It transports you into a new lifestyle, redefining what it means to travel with power, comfort, and prestige. Before we dive into the interior, let's talk about what makes this beast truly exceptional. This is not your average RV. Every curve, every material, every feature has been engineered for a very specific kind of traveler, someone who refuses to compromise on luxury, performance, or style. With a jaw-dropping price tag of $2.5 million, the Celestia Grandliner is the ultimate statement of wealth, freedom, and mobility. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling palace built for those who dare to live life on their own terms. From the outside, the Celestia Grandliner is a vision of power and elegance. Its aerodynamic body commands attention without trying too hard. The sleek design screams sophistication, while the muscular lines hint at raw capability. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Every inch of the exterior is sculpted to be both eye-catching and performance-optimized, making it the ultimate luxury ride on American roads. Step inside, and the magic truly begins. The moment you walk through the doors, you're greeted by immense space, soft ambient lighting, and the kind of craftsmanship that makes every other motorhome look ordinary. The living area is designed for comfort and conversation, featuring plush seating that's perfect for enjoying the landscape through enormous panoramic windows. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the sun rise over a desert canyon, or rolling through a mountain pass without ever leaving the lap of luxury. The kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. Forget cramped RV kitchens with limited appliances. The Celestia Grandliner offers a full high-end kitchen, complete with modern appliances, sleek cabinetry, and enough counter space to prepare meals just like you would at home. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner cooking on the road never felt this luxurious or effortless. Now, let's head to the bedroom. This isn't just a bed, it's a sanctuary. A king-size mattress, high-quality linens, and soft ambient lighting create the perfect atmosphere for rest and rejuvenation. After hours of driving, this is the kind of space that makes sleep feel like a reward. And the bathroom. Think spa-level elegance with premium fixtures, clean lines, and a sense of privacy that feels almost indulgent. It's proof that luxury is in the details, and this motorhome spares no expense. But what really sets the Celestia Grandliner apart isn't just the materials or the design. It's the experience. This motorhome is engineered to make every journey unforgettable. From its advanced suspension system that smooths out every bump in the road to the state-of-the-art entertainment and connectivity features, every aspect of the Celestia Grandliner is designed for maximum comfort and control. It's about freedom, but the kind of freedom that feels safe, secure, and indulgent at the same time. And let's be real for a second. Owning a Celestia Grandliner isn't just about travel. It's about lifestyle. It's about waking up wherever you want, living on your own schedule, and doing it all without ever compromising on comfort or style. It's about luxury on the move. Drop a comment below and let us know. Would you live the ultra-luxury motorhome life? Or is this level of freedom just too extreme?